What's going on, guys? So today what we are doing is the no sound challenge. I just turned my TV all the way down and we are gonna try to get a victory royale. I got the setting on, where is it? Visual sound effects off. There we go. Okay. Okay. So we are gonna do the no sound challenge, try to get a dub, and if we do, I will gift somebody 2,800 V-Bucks. Okay? I know I got 15 right now, but don't matter. So let's hop right into this. Here we go. Okay. So pretty sure this is on full screen, ain't it? There we go. It should be in full screen. If it's not, I am so sorry. As you guys can see, no sound at all. Just me talking. And yeah, try and get it done. How about we go salty? Okay, so if you hear chewing in the background, I'm sorry. It's my cousin right now. So yes. If somebody watches this video, and if you know how to put like music in the background of like building and all that, please let me know, because I have no idea how. And if this is your first video that you're watching of me, this is my third ever video making. What is this guy doing? No, but I'm lagging. Ah, no. Oh, shoot. Sorry, guys. I'm so sorry, guys. But yeah, I died. Well, that, did not work. What's up? That's a face reveal. No, it ain't. There we go. If I reach 20 likes on one video, I'll do my face reveal. So, 20 solid likes. Honestly, I don't think that'll happen. But, let's try and get it. Try and smash that goal. Okay. And like I said, if you heard a smashing keyboard, it's because my phone's setting up on my keyboard so that you guys can see my TV. But yeah, no sound challenge. It's kind of hard, bro. But you know what? We're gonna have to get the stub. Okay. Ooh, what's this? Okay, green AR. Please nobody else signed. Thank you. Let's get this. Oh shoot, no. I don't know where I just got shot from. Where'd I get shot from? The heck, man? Oh, from right there. Oh, wait. What? Where's this guy at? What? How? I didn't know that many people landed there. Holy. Alright, well, there's that. Hold on 1 second. I'll be right back. God dang it, sorry. There. Okay, I'll be right back. Oh shoot, okay guys, I am back. Okay. You know what? Let's go right here. Let's go to pee-pee. I'm dead. No, it wasn't pee-pee, was it? My god. The guy's aim was insane right there. Holy. gonna try 3 more games. If I can't, I can't. I'm gonna turn on the sound and try and get a dub. Let's go SB. No, it's not gliding. You know, I don't want to die right off the bat. Going to right over here. Then I can get attack. If I find shields, that'll be wonderful. Let's go, shields. Ooh, green tack, alright, bet. Sorry if I'm AFK for a second, guys. There's a guy right here. Not gonna go push him though. Actually. No. Oh, dang. Got this guy right here, so weak. I tagged him 22. 3 times. I don't know how to tag him anymore, but, you know, whatever. Alrighty. I didn't even pick it up. What the heck? Go pee pee. You guys want to hear a dad joke? Okay. So, one guy says, bro, my paper just ripped. It's so gay. The dad goes, yeah, son, it's terrible. Get it? Lol. That was so bad. Why did you not shoot me is my question. What the heck? Why is there a porta potty in here? That's why. I didn't know they had one in this house. That's weird. Just go through. Nobody kill me. Nobody kill me. Nobody kill me. Thank you. Ooh, shield pop. Oh my god, I just lagged. See my edits. Oh my god. How did I not die from that? I don't know. Can I please stop lagging, game? Like, that'll be wonderful. Crap. Please don't beat me. Please don't beat me. Please don't beat me. Oh my god, thank you. I'm dead. Go through the porta potty. I triple dog dare you to. Go. God dang it, you're not going through the porta potty. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna end it off right here, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed and have a good rest of your night, I guess. Peace.